In this video, we will show you a step-by-step guide on how to sell USDT on Binance using P2P. Before that, you are required to transfer your USDT from Spot Wallet to Funding Wallet. Go to Binance homepage and click on Wallets button. Select Spot tab. Then click on Transfer button. Here, you can choose the transfer type. In this case is from Spot Wallet to Funding Wallet. Select your coin type, which is USDT. Key in the amount you wish to transfer. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will transfer 1000 USDT from Spot Wallet to Funding Wallet. Click on Confirm Transfer to proceed. Now that you have transferred your USDT to your Funding Wallet, you can proceed to the next step. Go back to Binance homepage and click on the P2P trading icon. Make sure you have selected the P2P option at the top. Then, click on the Currency button and choose PGK as your currency. PGK is the currency code for Malaysian ringgit. Next, tap on the Sell button and choose the price that suits you. For a safer and smoother transaction, choose a seller who has completed over 100 trades and has a rating of 95% or higher. The screen will display the option to select a payment method. Click on the Add Payment Method button and fill in your details. You will need to enter your name, bank name, account number, and phone number. Then, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code and confirm your payment method. Now, you are ready to sell your coin or USDT. You can choose to sell by crypto or by fiat. If you sell by crypto, you will enter the amount of coin or USDT you want to sell and the app will calculate the equivalent amount of PGK. If you sell by fiat, you will enter the amount of PGK you want to receive and the app will calculate the equivalent amount of coin or USDT. Before you proceed, make sure you read and agree to the terms and conditions of P2P trading. Then, click on the Sell with Zero Fee button to place your order. The app will lock your coin or USDT in escrow until you confirm that you have received the payment from the buyer. After placing your order, you will need to wait for a buyer to accept it. You can check the status of your order in the Orders tab. You can also chat with the buyer by clicking on the Chat button. You can use this feature to communicate with the buyer and share any information or proof of payment. Once the buyer has sent you the payment, you will receive a notification from Binance. You should check your bank account or payment app to verify that you have received the correct amount of PGK. Do not release your coin or USDT until you have confirmed that you have received the payment. When you are sure that you have received the payment, click on the Confirm button to release your coin or USDT to the buyer. The app will ask you to enter your trading password for verification. After entering your password, your order will be completed. You will see a success message on your screen and you can check your balance in your P2P wallet. You have successfully sold your coin or USDT on Binance using P2P. Thank you for watching this video and happy trading!